Hey guys, welcome to 9 to 5 Reno. It's part of our process that, after each project, we try to speak with our clients to get an idea of how things went. That's through professionalism, through the timelines, the budgets, and any other concerns. It helps us be better as a company and also, share their feedback, how they can be better as well. So with that being said, we have one of our clients here, Craig. He just finished his basement. It was done in about 5.5 weeks. Just want to get his feedback and overall experience. Craig, how's it going today?
Very good, thanks, Malcolm.
Awesome. So yeah, we finished the basement for you. Want to get an idea, how was the level of professionalism here?
It was very good. Enjoyed it very, very much. William, the supervisor, helped us along, answered questions, any concerns that we had, and workers were very nice, very polite.
Okay.
We're here on a timely basis.
Yeah.
And sometimes, they were here before I was even
Wow,
out.
that's awesome. That's good. I'm glad. That's how it went. A big thing within the industry is communication, and we here try to pride ourselves as doing a great job with that. Want to hear your thoughts on it? How was communication with the team?
It was good. Shed, the owner, came down along with his estimator, looked at the job, came back in about a week with a proposal.
Okay.
And then we liked the proposal and the timeline. So we went with 905 Reno, and they started 2 days after we possession of the house, and they were done in about 5.5, 6 weeks, and it was a good experience.
That's awesome. I'm glad you chose us. Honestly, I think when we had that first call, I'm like, you know what? I think me and this guy will get along. So I'm glad it went that way. I guess we gave you a proposal and we gave you a budget. So on the budget, how was that experience for you?
It was good. Not knowing what costs were, I obviously I thought my budget was a little low, but had to readjust my thinking, and it came in below my second thinking and thought. So it was good.
That's good. That's good. We tried to just stay right in the middle. So I'm glad we came in right below your second thought. And now the last one, of course, how was the total experience? Tell me more about that.
It was good. As I say, William was the supervisor. He would come in about every week toward the end of the week on Friday and go through the situation, how things were going, what was going to be done the next week or so. Would say, "Oh yes, no problem. We'll have it done by before you move in," and which it like any project, or you always have a little extra leeway.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
So it was about 6 weeks, and it was good. We enjoyed it.
I'm glad you guys enjoyed the work experience. And I guess a final thought for us, would you refer us to your colleagues, friends, and family friends or whatnot?
Yes, I would, definitely.
Fantastic. Well, honestly, it was a pleasure having you as a client as well. For us here, it doesn't stop here. This is a long-lasting relationship. Anything comes up, give us a call. And just in general, just want to chat about what's going on with the house, please by all means give us a call. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.